In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Bitcoin to another address on PayPal, step by step. To begin, open the PayPal app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. From the home page, look toward the top left for the menu icon, the three stacked lines. Go ahead and tap that. If you already see crypto on your home page, you can tap it directly and skip the menu. Otherwise, under the section labeled Manage Finances, tap Crypto. This takes you to the crypto homepage where you'll see any available crypto balances linked to your account. Scroll down until you find the section called Your Crypto and then tap Bitcoin. This opens the dedicated Bitcoin screen. Here you can see your current holdings and recent activity. To send Bitcoin, scroll down slightly and tap Send. It's the button with the paper plane icon, which makes it easy to spot. You'll see a list of recent contacts. At the top of the screen, there's a field where you can paste or enter the Bitcoin wallet address you want to send to. You can also select a contact if that person is already in your list and supports receiving Bitcoin through PayPal. When entering an address, it's best to copy and paste it to avoid typos and make sure it's a Bitcoin address, not for another cryptocurrency. Crypto transactions are generally irreversible, so double checking here is important. After you've selected the address or recipient, choose how much Bitcoin you want to send. You can enter a custom amount or tap Send All if you want to move your entire available balance. For this example, type in $1 worth of Bitcoin and then tap Next. PayPal will convert the dollar amount to the equivalent amount of BTC for you automatically. Before the transfer goes through, you'll complete a quick security verification, such as a text message code or two-factor authentication prompt. This is an important safeguard to protect your account. Once verified, review the transaction details carefully, confirm the recipient address, the exact amount being sent, any applicable fees, and the estimated transfer time. Fees and timing can vary based on network conditions and PayPal's processing, so it's a good idea to review these each time you send. If everything looks correct, tap Send Now. That's it. Your Bitcoin will now be sent to the selected wallet address. Remember, because crypto transactions can't be reversed, taking a moment to review before you send is always worth it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.